Hey guys, Curtis Stone here. Listen, I know we're all stuck at home and we're looking for great inspiration that's quick, simple, delicious, and also affordable. So I've got a recipe tonight that you are gonna absolutely love. It's my beef, garlic and herb sausages. The flavor is unbelievable, but let's get started. You get a hot pan and you get these beautiful sausages, drop them in, you'll hear them sizzle straight away, that's what you want. And then just give them a really light drizzle of oil. While that happens, and listen, it's only 2 or 3 minutes, so you're gonna have to think fast. We're gonna do all the veg prep. And what I'm gonna do, peel my carrot and dice it. Because we're cooking with chickpeas, I sort of think all the other vegetables should be about the same size. I don't know why I feel like that, but I do. Next, we take a shallot. An onion will do just the same, whatever you've got in the house. I don't know about you, but when I'm cooking, the smells that are created get me going. They get me really excited. The garlic, all I do is I give it a little tap with my knife like that to get the skin off, and then I hit it again and sort of squash it right down, and then I just go through and just roughly chop it. Let's turn those sausages. Once you've got a little colour on the sausages, that's it. So I'm going to pull them out. You'll notice there'll be quite a bit of fat, and that's okay. So I'm just actually going to pour that fat straight back over my sausages, and then whatever residual oil is left in the pan is what we're going to use to cook our vegetables. Shallot, which is the first thing we're going to put in. All right, time to add the garlic. Throw in your carrots. Season it with that smoked paprika. All right, you give those carrots a couple of minutes, and then we add the chickpeas. Give that a little stir, and then toss in your chicken stock. Then I go ahead and grab some of that beautiful baby spinach. Use as much as you like. Just remember, whatever you add in, it's going to shrink down pretty quick. Beautiful, great way to get veggies into your kids' diet too. Speaking of kids, do you hear them? I think one of them pretended to be a monkey. I told you, once they smell it, they start going crazy. It's a real thing. Okay, so once that spinach has started to wilt on down, what you want to do is lift these beautiful sausages back up. We're going to finish just with a little bit of finishing salt. In another 4 or 5 minutes, dinner's ready. This is the moment, it's the best time of day. Your dinner's done, invite your family through to the dinner table. I tell you what, sitting around that table and having the conversations with each other, there's nothing better. It is a one-pot wonder, so all you do is you pick that up and take it straight through to the dinner table. Enjoy.